So I thought I'd do my view on the Zebra wet plate holders. The Zebra brand has been producing some dry plate holders for quite a while now. I had a look at the wet plate holders and they looked very, very good. And the reason being is that they use a magnetic back loading system, which makes it very easy to load and unload the wet plate when you're using things like Collodion. Accept plates between 0.3 and 3 millimeters. The other thing I liked about the website is that it shows cleaning the actual wet plate holders. The ease of being able to strip down the wet plate and just rinse it under the tap means that you can keep them clean. And he works in Slovenia. Online, the 4x5 is 69 euros. The 5x7 size, which I didn't order, is 110 euros. And the 8x10, which is this one, is 165 euros. And the shipping charge to the UK, that is, was only 11 euros. So anyway, you can go onto his website, which is lostlightphotography.com or zebradryplates.com. He's got two websites, and find out a lot more information. He's got some really interesting blog articles on there. So the 4x5 wet plate holder. So we've got the thank you card. As you can see, it's sturdy. The back's got a little tab on it, which I believe we can just pull. And as you can see, it's 3D printed, but it has these magnets in the back with a small tensioner to hold the plate in position. That simply locks onto the back, and so that comes off. That's the back, and then we've got a slide that goes into the front of the wet plate holder. They are easily washable because it's basically the slide goes into the top, slides down to form the light trap. The back has a little cutout here for this tab. Goes on, click. So let's move on to the Zebra 8x10 wet plate holder. So there's the actual wet plate holder. There's the slide, exactly the same as the 4x5 technique. If we flip it over onto the back, I'll open up the back. Simply, this time we've got a lot more magnets, and we've got two plate tensioners on the back, but fundamentally these magnets are really strong. The slider for the light trap slides in nice and smoothly, and again, just like the 4x5, if I put the back on, it clicks into place really well. So all in all, that's the 8x10 plate holder. That's the 4x5 plate holder. Relatively straightforward and easy to use. lostlightphotography.com and zebradryplates.com. Very responsive. I've emailed him a few times about various things, and he's always got back to me really quickly. So overall, for an unboxing, I'm impressed with the product. The pricing is very competitive compared to what's out there at the moment, but yeah, well worth having a look if you're into getting either wet plate holders or also the dry plate holders, which he also sells.